Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's a pretty cool one. It's from an Etsy shop, Practical3d on Etsy, brass lighter and a frag pattern. So yeah, make sure to check them out on Etsy. I will leave a link to their stuff down below. And yeah, let's see. This is their Etsy shop link. I believe this is the one I got. The frag pattern and brass. So yeah, all right. And yeah, I will leave a link to this thing down below. Make sure to check them out. And all right, let's get into this. I'm gonna open this off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. All right. So there we go. The fidget. All right, nice metal card. There you go. Practical3d, 3D printing, laser cutting, engraving, fiber laser, metal engraving, CNC. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, there you go. Brass lighter in the frag pattern, made in Ohio. Pretty cool. There we go. All right, here it is. Nice packaging, nice finish, good weight to it for sure. Let me get the scale. Here we go. Wait. So there we go, 104.69 grams. Some good weight to it for sure. Heavier than my other sliders. I think the heaviest one I have so far. But yeah, here's a close-up on the sides, frag pattern. I have no idea what the slide's like. I have not seen the video or heard anything, so this is completely like first impressions. All right. So it's a 2-click. Interesting choice of tape. Let me see what they got here. I think it's tape. Or maybe not. I think it's like a insert. Okay, so I will say the magnets are weak on this, but it's a unique feeling. Like, it's kind of like scratchy, but it's not too scratchy to the point where it's like you can't slide it. It slides very smoothly. And it's also really quiet too. And it's not like they're way too weak, the magnets. Like here, I'll do a ladder. The magnets do support the body. If they were too weak, you would see this thing just completely fall off when you're laddering. So they're strong enough, but me personally, I like them to make a nice, decent click. me get the scale out again. $52. This is 52.20, 52.18. I mean 17. So yeah, each side is 52 grams. All right, let me do the sound test real quick. It's not gonna be loud, I'll say that for sure. All right. So it's barely hitting 61, 62. It's pretty good actually. Not too bad. I love the feel of the plates. I have not tried these kind of plates before. I've tried Teflon, Zerk, stainless steel. But yeah, these are a first. I'm gonna be checking out a lot more what's it called? Other creators as well, and sliders and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. Just, I wonder something. One sec. So this is the Gladys work. Let's see if they can combine somehow. Yeah, it kind of works. All right, let me get the measurements for this thing. The width is 30 millimeters. Length is 45.1, and the height is 10. There we go. I think this could have been a 3-click, sorry. But the magnets, I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there, the outline of the magnets, they're pretty big. I bet they're already strong magnets, just the body's a lot of weight, as you guys saw. 52 grams each side. But yeah, it's a pretty cool one. Trying to give it a rating. Plates are good. Grip is good. Weight is a bit on the too much side. Maybe just it could be fixed with magnet strength. So magnets are a bit weak. Would want it to be a 3-click, but that's not related to the rating because sliders can be 2-click or 3-click. I'm just a 3-click guy. But I think I would give this a solid 6 out of 10. I just want a louder click and stronger magnets, I would say. I mean, it's an overall pretty good slider for the price, for sure. And it's metal too. So yeah, again, if you want to check this out, Link is down below. It's like 60 bucks. Pretty good deal for a metal slider. So yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I will leave a link to his Etsy down below, like I said. Check it out. Again, here's his card. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.